Welcome to Bright Beginnings at Home, where little minds shine and big adventures start. I'm so glad you're here. Today's spotlight letter is V. V is for van. A van is a big, boxy vehicle that carries lots of people or things. Did you know? Vans are often used for family trips and moving boxes. V is violin. A violin is a small, string instrument that makes beautiful music when played with a bow. Did you know? Many famous musicians started learning the violin when they were little. V is for vase. A vase is a pretty container used to hold flowers. Did you know? Vases can be made from glass, ceramic, or even metal, and they come in all sorts of shapes and colors. V is for vulture. A vulture is a large bird that helps nature by eating dead animals, which keeps the environment clean. Did you know? Vultures have very strong stomachs that help them digest things other animals can't. V is for vegetables. Vegetables are yummy, healthy foods that help your body grow strong. Did you know? There are so many kinds of vegetables, from crunchy carrots to leafy greens. What is your favorite V word? Let's practice tracing the uppercase letter V. First, place your finger on the number 1 at the top left. At the top left, move your finger downward toward the middle of the paper. This creates the left side of your V. Without lifting your finger, move your finger upward from the bottom middle to the top right corner. This forms the right side of your V. Both sides should be equal and meet at a point at the bottom. You did it! Hooray! You can pause the video and do it again and again. Parents, use this guide to help your child write the uppercase V with pencil and paper. Happy writing! See you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.